Hello, my name is Stella and I'm reading a book.
Let's read the title.
What?
Keep going.
At what?
Good job. That's it. What? And the next word? That's an I.
Is. What is?
Good job. What letter is that?
A.
Okay.
What is the?
No, that's just ah. See, it's only
What
the A.
is the
What is ah? And what's the next word?
fur? What is the fur? What is
Keep reading.
the what is the furry end? What is the furry end?
What is a friend?
Oh, what is a friend? What
Good job.
is a friend?
Good job. See? Do you remember the words?
No.
Keep reading. Ah.
A friend is
Good job.
so. A friend is so. On
Someone.
someone.
Good job.
A friend is someone
Keep reading the next sentence.
who
Who?
will
Yeah.
play
Good job.
with you.
Good job.
What is a friend? Who will play with you?
So a friend is
someone
one.
who will
Yeah. Who?
please
No. You just read it. It's okay. It's okay. Here.
play
Yes.
with you.
Good job.
A friend is someone
Good job.
who will work with. A friend is
Yep.
someone
Yep.
who
You said who will?
Welk. Yeah.
You said walk.
Walk
And then you're missing those two.
with you.
Good
A
job.
friend is someone who will walk with you.
Good job.
A friend is someone
Good job.
who will
Is there an H next to
No.
the T? No.
talk
Good job.
to no to
Is there a T?
no
Oh, okay.
will
With.